Hello friends, in this video you will learn about how you can convert language text variable into your language words. Let me start. First you have to go system, and under the manage tab you have to check language overrides. In this video we are talking about language overrides, how you can create language overrides, or we can say language uh, conversion. So in this side we are converting variable for front end side. So choose the site, and here this variable already redefined in English language. So let's start which variable we want to change. So go to the system site template. In the template I have already overridden the components. In the last video you can see. So in this component let's talk about login. This is just as an example. So click on default login, and here you can see this is the file of default.php of the login form, and here I will try to explain which this is the language variable, and now we are doing to change the language definition, whatever in which you want to change in which language. So first I want to show you the front end. Let's go to the front end side. Go to the login. Here you can see login. These are the button. All these things are coming from language variables. So let me show you why comment. So login reset, login remind, login register, login reset, login remind, login register. So let me comment this one. Now see which is one. Hide. You can see last variable is gone, so we can use this. So this language variable I will change. You don't have an account, so now we go to the language manager, create new, click on new, and here language constant field we have to insert the language variable. Now you can set whatever you want. Suppose let me change the definition. Don't have an account. I'm writing just for you example. I have just while this using for other, if you are belongs to another country and other language, so you can change in your language. So I write here do you have not you sorry do you have not an account, like this something. So now let me, this is will be changed, reload, do you have not an account, or you can just let me show you translate in other languages why we use. Suppose we want to just translation for the meaning, same meaning. So one thing I will Let me delete. Now, yeah, I'll create again, and now copy this text, change in other language, suppose Spanish. So let me copy and paste here. Sorry, so it will change Spanish. So reload page. Now this is converting in Spanish language. So in this way you can change any variable. First you have to find which variable you want, that is constant variable, and for definition value text enter here, and it will language related. Here you can see the which language you want to convert. So guys, this way you can change language variable in Joomla 4. So thank you for watching, and like this video and subscribe to the channel for more informational videos. I will share again a new topic in Joomla 4, and if you want to any other video related to Joomla component module, any, please comment here. Thank you.